Hello.
Sorry we haven't vlogged until, look at our matching Jaws shirts. It's like Jaws. Anyway, sorry we haven't vlogged in so long. We've both been really sick, but we're better now, and we are at Zoombezi Bay today because after today we only have one day left to play in the water. So we're gonna have like a super summer day.
Look. Water. We just went and rode a ride because we're here early enough to be able to get down a ride we rarely ever get to go down. It was a lot of fun until Jessica kicked me. She said it's all fair on the slides until I'm crippled.
I just got back and watched what Chad filmed, and I think he's being a little bitter, and I think there are no rules on the okay, well there are obviously rules on a water slide for your personal safety or whatever.
There's rules!
If you happen to kick somebody.
Am I the only one around here that gives up about the rules?
I was in danger. I did what I had to do to survive. I regret nothing. Just kidding, I'm sorry.
Yay! She's sorry.
It's picnic time. Look at my salad shaker. Thank you. We brought these Lunchables with us that are worms and dirt. I hope these don't suck because I'm really excited about this. Okay, so you take the worm and you dip it in the whatever this is, and then you cover it in the crumble. It's like, except like I think marshmallow cream. And then you eat it. I think I would like this better if it wasn't marshmallow cream. Because it's chocolate pudding in the real one, right? Or maybe it was like actual frosting because it says frosting, but then it says marshmallow cream underneath it. So it's okay. I got really hyped about it, and I guess it wasn't really worth all the hype. Oh well. Now we know.
And knowing is half the battle.
G.I. Joe.
Real American hero.
Your sunglasses. Let me help you. Do you like it?
Marshmallow cream sauce.
Yeah, like why did they do that? It'd be so good otherwise, wouldn't it? Like that's such a good idea. Why didn't they just put pudding in it?
It was fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
I got to play with it. Man, I'm over it.
Hey, butthead. Where you been all my life?
Let's do this.
It's the final line of Kugel. It's the final liney. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Okay, no more Zoombezi. Bye, Emily.
Bye.
We might be here next weekend.
Maybe.
Hopefully. Internet, hold her to it. She's gonna be here next weekend. Chad will not.
I won't watch this for 4 weeks.
That's mean. All right, bye. See ya. Okay, so we left Zoombezi, and where are we now, Chad?
Hayden Falls.
Yep. There is a very gorgeous waterfall just in the middle of the city, pretty close to Zoombezi. So we are going to visit that before we head home.
It's gonna be fun. what's above us? The falls! Yay!
Yay!
What's in front of me? Pokemon. There's a gym here at the falls.
So it's really small and there's not much to see besides the waterfall, but it's still pretty cool to just have like around in case you ever wanted to look at a waterfall.
It's a wonderful time.
Yeah, it's very pretty. I think we picked a good time to leave. We're home and Mr. Crane is cooking dinner.
Cooking dinner.
And it's gonna be so delicious.
Delicious.
He's gonna make pasta with steak.
And her mushrooms to kill me.
Yeah, he's allergic to mushrooms, but I love them, so get you a husband that cooks you mushrooms, even though they'll get him super sick. Yeah.
Cooking mushrooms for murder.
Mushrooms for murder. Look how delicious! Look what Chad made. Look what this guy made. Good job. Good job, babe. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Anyway, we're gonna eat these.
Delicious.
Anyway, we're gonna eat these and watch America's Got Talent and probably fall into a food coma. So I hope you guys have a great day and we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.